Hi everyone, this is Alisa from WEITAI Hydraulic, one of China's biggest manufacturers of hydraulic solutions. Today we are WEITAI Hydraulic Motor Factory and we are talking about WTM series final drives. Here is WTM-40 model of final drive. It perfectly applies to 25 to 30 ton excavators and it consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox and a hydraulic valve. If you like our product, if you are interested in cooperation with us, please leave a message, contact our sales team and we'll be happy to assist you. Have a nice day. Bye.